Imagine healing your body and mind with specific sound frequencies like 369 Hz, 432 Hz, and 528 Hz. Sound waves have incredible effects on living beings. Take 369 Hz. Known for balancing mind and body, this frequency is linked to creativity and emotional clarity. Meanwhile, 432 Hz, often called the natural tuning, aligns with the Earth's heartbeat, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Some bird calls at this frequency can even trigger seeds to germinate, unlocking growth and new life. Then there's 528 Hz, the so-called love frequency, which resonates at the core of nature and is believed to stimulate DNA repair. 396 Hz helps release fear and guilt, while 639 Hz strengthens relationships and communication. Sound healing can align mind and body, and some believe that ancient civilizations harnessed these sonic frequencies to build wonders like the pyramids, using sound to lift massive stones. Ready to explore the power of sound? Dive into the world of sound healing and discover how frequencies can transform your life.